Despite a rise in COVID-19 cases in many areas of the U.S., primarily because of the Delta variant of the virus, SCC President Dr. Paul Illich said this fall term will bring students on campuses.
We're in close communication with our local health departments, and the guidance that we've received to date has been that even with the variant that we're starting to see an increase in spread, the recommendation, if you're vaccinated, they're still very much encouraging us to be open and to operate. We're not requiring masks if you're vaccinated. If you're not vaccinated, we're strongly encouraging students to wear a mask. We're not requiring it.
When COVID-19 took hold in the spring of 2020, the community college went to all online learning, but last fall was able to offer classes with students attending in person or, if needed, by online means.
It's very important to be in a position to pivot because you're not going to know exactly when you're going to need to do so. So we need to make sure we're still ready to offer our classes. Maybe our faculty members are in the classroom, but they may need to be able to quickly have that course delivery so that the student could take it from their house if they needed to.
Illich says even though the college will be in normal operations this fall, officials are encouraging students who have not been vaccinated to voluntarily do so.
So that's really our probably biggest message to our students. We're really encouraging them to consider getting vaccinated prior to the fall of 21, and we're going to try to make that easier for them too. So once they're on the campuses, we want to have clinics and make it as easy as possible to access that vaccination.
This past year, students and staff, Illich says, gained an improved knowledge and use of technology because of the effects of the pandemic and the need to use remote learning when needed, but students have indicated in surveys that they favor face-to-face learning in the traditional approach.
Students have told us that was a wonderful experience. They really appreciated the opportunity to come back into the classroom as they could. And right now we're up almost 1,000 students for the upcoming fall as of the same time last year. We'll see how that pans out.
The fall semester at Southeast Community College is set to begin August 23rd. From Beatrice, Doug Kennedy, News Channel, Nebraska.